Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the horsepower Giddy Up Grill Brush, a spinning, bristle-free grill cleaner that's been making waves online. It claims to clean your grill effectively without the dangers of loose metal bristles, which sounds like a dream for anyone who loves to grill. But before you rush to buy it, let's break down if it's actually worth your money. Starting with the official website, it doesn't leave the best impression. It looks pretty unprofessional and outdated, which can make you question the company behind the product. Plus, the social media icons on the site don't even work or lead to totally unrelated pages. A huge red flag when it comes to trustworthiness. And the marketing tactics? Extremely pushy. You'll see claims like, buy more, save more, 100 million satisfied customers, and a bold money-back guarantee that feels more like a sales gimmick than a genuine promise. They also claim it's not available on Amazon, but it is. So, what's up with that? Despite those red flags, the product reviews themselves are actually very positive. Many users are raving about how well it works. One reviewer said it was a perfect early Father's Day gift and that it made grill cleaning almost fun. Others praised how heavy-duty it feels, how easy it is to clean, and the fact that it doesn't have bristles, which is a big win for safety. The built-in light and included charger are other features that impressed buyers. One person even mentioned tossing the scrubbing head in the dishwasher after use. Super convenient. So, is it legit? The product seems solid based on real user feedback, but the sketchy website raises concerns. If you're interested, you might be better off buying from Amazon or another trusted retailer just to stay on the safe side.